I got to ask you, are you getting referrals from attorneys? Are you picking up any buyer or seller clients from attorneys in your area? Reason this comes up, I was actually just going through my email, got a couple of emails from agents again that are getting more listings from the attorneys that they're picking up in their local market. And this is one thing that a lot of realtors don't think about. So what I want you to think about here is, who is the gatekeeper of people that are meeting buyers and sellers in that local market that need to sell their home as a requirement of the court required from the divorce? They're required as a decree of that divorce to sell their property. Well, guess who tells them that? The local attorney. Now, a lot of realtors mistakenly think that, well, all attorneys already have a realtor they're working with. Or one I hear a lot is, well, every attorney is married to a realtor. A lot of people believe like their spouse is a realtor because they've seen that one time or two times or whatever. They think that, you know, if you're an attorney, you have to marry a realtor, evidently. So the fact is, there's an awful lot of attorneys in your town that do not work with realtors. There's an unlimited number of them, as a matter of fact, because in every single town in America, there's more attorneys than there are real estate agents. So we've got a little letter that we email out to local attorneys. Now, this can be divorce attorneys, probate attorneys, IRS attorneys, immigration attorneys, small business attorneys. We have a letter that we email out to them, which is totally free for you to do, and we get appointments face-to-face to meet with these attorneys, preferably the high-volume attorneys, so that we can get referrals from them. No surprise if you look at divorcing clients as an example. You already know as a real estate agent, the only time somebody's making a move, they're buying or selling, is when they're going through a life change, right? So someone is born or someone dies. Someone gets married or someone gets divorced. Someone gets a promotion or someone gets laid off. That's the only time they're looking to make a move. So for us, knowing that attorneys, divorce attorneys as an example, they're working with clients that, you know why most people get a divorce? Financial problems, which means he can't refinance it to get it out of the wife's name. The wife can't refinance it to get it out of the husband's name, so the court will require, as a decree of their divorce, they must sell that asset. The attorney is the one that tells them that, so we are able to then get that referral and go out and meet with them. So I want the attorney to say, hey, we'll help you out with the custody and we'll figure out who gets the dog and we'll do all that stuff, but the court will require that you sell your property. Here's Greg Luther's business card, or whoever your business card is. Call them up. They work with a lot of my clients. They understand how the divorcing process works. Very, very simple process. Inside my training, we teach a lot about the type of clients you're looking for. You don't want people that are fighting in a divorce. You want those agreed entries, like the flat fee attorneys. We'll do your divorce paperwork for $199. First of all, they work a high volume of business, but more importantly, they're working with people that are agreeable. The husband and wife just agree not to be together anymore. They're not fighting, so it's not a nasty transaction for you. So there's an example of that divorce attorney letter or email that we use, and that is, if you go to getfastclosings.com, you'll see an example of it, and I show you how. I'll just send it to you. I'll give you email access to it if you go there. It shows you how to request that, so you can just start using it in your marketplace. Watch what happens for yourself. There's a few agents, I got 2 emails this afternoon from agents that started using it. They got a couple of meetings with attorneys. They followed exactly what I showed them to do in going to meet with that attorney, and they were able to get referrals immediately. So if you're looking to grow your real estate business, that's one of the sources you need to be using. Let's say you get 4 or 5 attorneys that are referring business to you every single month. You already know a lot of agents that are doing that. They've got kind of the honey hole of listings that are coming into them. They have a referral source. That's a really good way to do it. I think you'll find it very helpful for you. Again, you can see a copy of it and get a little bit of training on that, as well as 3 other approaches at getfastclosings.com. I think you'll find it very helpful there, and just start using it. All I ask you to do, email it out to 50 attorneys. I show you inside our training, here's how you find the attorney emails, here's how you send it out, here's how it needs to be structured, everything to do. And the cool part, you can do all that for free. So send it out to 50. Watch what happens. I think you'll be very impressed with what happens in the appointments that you'll get. And then you'll start freaking out. Oh my gosh, Greg, I don't know what to do. I've got an appointment with him at noon tomorrow. What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to wear? What are the talking points I should do? What if they ask me how long? Like, next thing you know, you're in an interview. Like, the attorney's going to ask you how long you've been in business. It doesn't happen that way. I show you how the process works, and I think you'll find it incredibly helpful. So anyway, check it out. I encourage you to today use that list and email 50 attorneys. Just send them that letter and watch what happens to your business. It'll make a big difference. Get more info on it at getfastclosings.com. Any questions you have, hit me up here personally. Send me a direct message. I always reply to everybody's messages, as you know. If you find this kind of stuff helpful, by the way, make sure you follow the page here and turn on your notifications. Always giving as much helpful information as possible. There's a lot of free stuff you can be doing to spur a little bit of business inside your real estate career. Hopefully that's helpful for you. I'm Greg Luther. We'll plan on talking to you soon, and bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and we have a lot more information to share with you as well. I want you to do 3 important things so that we can start growing your real estate business immediately. First and foremost, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now, if you don't have a YouTube account, you can set one up. It's totally free, very easy to do. But you want to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and then make sure you ring the bell. If you ring the bell, you're turning on notifications, so it'll let you know every time we load new videos, and we load new training content for you nearly every single day. Now, additionally, I've got a big bonus for you because every week I choose one agent that I'm going to do a one-on-one coaching call with. Let me tell you how we choose them. You'll want to comment on this video below because every week we choose one person from the comments that I'm going to help them in growing their real estate business. So leave a comment below on the video that you just watched. What'd you think about it? Do you like it? Are you trying it? Is it something you're intrigued by or want more information on? Leave a comment below and we choose someone every single week that I have a one-on-one coaching call with. So 3 important things. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, ring the bell to get notifications, and then leave a comment on this video below. We'll plan on seeing you soon.